I'm Sebastian, and I work as a senior pre-sales manager at SINGU. My role sits in between technology, commercial strategy, and client engagement. My primary focus is to guide potential customers through early stages of their decision-making process, listening closely to understand their operational challenges, aligning our solutions with their goals, and demonstrating how SINGU can deliver measurable value across their business. It's not just about showcasing product features, it's about translating complex requirements into tailored, impactful solutions that drive efficiency, innovation, and long-term success. A big part of my job involves tailoring our platform to fit each client's specific workflows and challenges and guiding them through personalized product demos that address exactly what matters most to them. It's incredibly rewarding because no clients are the same. Each project brings a new set of goals, processes, and expectations to work with. What makes this role genuinely exciting and how unpredictable and fast-paced it is. One day we're working on a certification, on the next way we're building a customized demo for a large real estate operator, or traveling for on-site workshops. I've had clients come in skeptical, convinced their complex workflow couldn't be replicated. Then they see it live in SINGU, built exactly around their needs, and suddenly the conversation flips. That moment when it clicks for them, that's the best part of my job. My approach is very consultative. I see myself as a partner, not just as a product expert. One of the key skills working in pre-sales is the ability to listen and ask the right questions to uncover client needs and underlying challenges. Once I have a clear understanding of their situation, I translate that into tailored presentations and demos that directly address their goals and pain points. It's about making it clear that we understand their business and that SINGU can deliver real, tangible value to help them move forward with confidence. For me, the foundation of any strong relationship is trust. From the very first interaction, I focus on being transparent, responsive, and genuinely helpful. I steer away from the typical salesy approach. Clients can sense when you're more interested in closing the deal rather than solving their problems. When they see that I'm here to help them make an informed, confident decision, not just to push a product, it creates a sense of credibility and partnership. That trust often becomes one of the key reasons why clients choose SINGU over other platforms. Customization is often the real game changer. You can be the best speaker in the room, but when you deliver a demo that reflects the client's specific needs, workflows, and real-life scenarios, that's when things truly click. It shows you've done your homework and that the solution isn't just a good fit, it's their fit. I think one example that stands out is a large warehouse operator, at the time still a prospect, who had serious doubts about whether their complex internal processes could be migrated to SINGU. This included things like managing insurance and warranty claims, as well as setting up intricate workflows that they've built over years. To address their concerns, we created a fully customized demo environment that mirrored their operations in detail. Seeing their use cases brought to life in SINGU eliminated all doubts. It gave them the confidence that not only could we meet their needs, we actually understood them. That level of customization played a huge role in moving the deal forward. Sometimes the client comes in with a very clear vision of what they want, but more often it requires a thorough discovery process. Through meetings, workshops, and sometimes even on-site visits, we take the time to understand not just their current operations, but also their long-term goals and challenges. It's a highly collaborative approach where we work together to identify what success looks like for them and then shape the single solution to align perfectly with that vision. I usually start with the core features, ticketing, preventive maintenance, and equipment management, since these are like 90% of our projects. Most clients are already somewhat familiar with the general concepts behind these modules, so rather than focusing on the basics, I highlight the unique capabilities SINGU offers on top of them. That could be things like cost approvals, custom forms, or integration with tenant interface. Then there's the evergreen favorite, the reporting module. It takes all the operational data and distills it into clear, actionable insights through dashboards and customizable reports. For real estate teams looking to make data-driven decisions and demonstrate performance, that's a real standout. I think personalization will become even more central to pre-sales. The ability to let clients experience exactly how the system will function within their specific business context is immensely valuable. It builds confidence and shortens the decision-making process. Clients expect solutions tailored to their workflows, data, and challenges, not just generic feature overviews. Yeah, I think the most common misconception is that CAFM systems are meant only for maintenance teams. In reality, these platforms are designed to support everyone somehow involved in the property lifecycle. Tenants, technicians, property managers, cleaning and security, even external suppliers. So during demo sessions, I make a point to walk through the system from multiple user perspectives, showing how each stakeholder can interact with it in a way that makes their job easier and more efficient. Once the client sees the broader value, it often totally shifts their perspective.